Hey y'all, Shane with Damascus Road RV Services on the road to Damascus Road, and today our adventure takes us to inspecting this roof on this 2014 Grand Design. Let's crawl up and see what we got. And there's my helper. So I had somebody call me, want me to come do an inspection on their roof to see if it needs resealed. And yes, it does, but more so than just resealing. Look at the surface of the roof membrane itself. See how cracked that is? So this is definitely a roof that needs to be redone. So it is a gorgeous day out here in Georgia, but this roof, not so pretty. So as we see here, the membrane is actually starting to flake and come apart. That is not good. There's multiple places like that. Then you look at the skylight. The screw is sticking all the way out. You got all these cracks around it. So this roof definitely needs some tender love care. Look at this front cap seam. And Abby. Hey Abby! Abby! Hey baby! She found her some sand to play in. So you can just see all the cracks, deterioration in this thing all the way across. That one there is pretty bad. Look at the awning trim rail. That's deteriorated, starting to come loose. So just more sections of the roof that is actually flaking. You can peek underneath the roofing cover and see how deteriorated and cracked the sealant is. All right, y'all, so that's how quick checking out your roof can be. Just make sure that all your seals and sealants and the roof membrane itself is still in good condition. If you got any questions, give us a call. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share. Y'all have a blessed day.